in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to add aesthetic text on iMOVIE on your iPhone and your MacBook computer. If you want to learn how to create simple text pop-ups, the typewriter effect, moving text, zooming in text, multiple text pop-ups, and even wavy text, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to be talking about how to create a simple text pop-up on iMOVIE. So start off by opening the app Fonto, and then you're going to press the little camera icon on the bottom of the screen. Then you're just going to press plain images. Basically now I'm just going to scroll down until I find a green or a blue plain image. Then you're just going to press where it says 2048 times 2048 and you're going to resize your photo. I like to press iPhone 8/7/6 Plus. Then you're just going to press the box with the arrow coming out of it and press use. Now you're just going to press anywhere on the screen and press add text. Now I'm just adding my text here. Once I'm happy with how the text looks, then I'm just going to save that image and either send it to my computer or save that to my camera roll. Now I'm going to be talking about how to add the text on iMOVIE on your phone. So open iMOVIE. Now I'm just going to scroll until I find the part of the video that I want the text to appear on. And I'm going to press the little plus icon on the left side of the screen. Then you're going to go into recently added and click on the image that you created. When you click on the image, instead of pressing the little plus, you're going to press the ... icon, which is actually right next to it. And a bunch of options should pop up on the screen. And then you're just going to press green/blue screen. And that's basically it. Okay, now onto the computer. So again, you're just going to choose the part of the video that you want the text to appear on, and then you're just going to drag your image right over top of that, and then you're going to select your image. Right next to the circle color balance icon, there's going to be a square icon, and then you're going to click where it says cutaway. So then a few options are going to appear. The last step is to just press green/blue screen, and you're done. So for the simple text pop-ups, you could actually add some really cute sound effects like bottle cork or a mouse click, but I think it just adds a little something. Okay, so now I'm going to be talking about the typewriter effect or the typing effect. I love using this effect, it's so cute. So after you press green/blue screen, then you're just going to split your image that you have the text on to make the same amount of clips that you have as your letters. Basically, if you have 4 letters, you have 4 clips. If you click on one of these clips, then you're going to press the little square icon on the right side of the screen. For the first clip, you're just going to slide the little tools until you only have 1 letter. And then for the second clip, you're going to slide the little tools until you only have 2 letters. And so on and so on. So for all these little clips, I usually make them about 0.2 or 0.3 seconds each, depending on how fast I want it to type. If you're on a computer, it's pretty similar. After you split your clips and then press green/blue screen, you're just going to go right next to where it says cleanup, going to drag the little circle tools until you have every single letter covered except the first one for the first clip, then you'll have 2 letters for the second clip, and so on and so on. So if you want your text to zoom in, then after you press green/blue screen, when you create your simple text, you're going to go to this other square icon where it says cropping, and then you're just going to switch crop to fill to Ken Burns. So if you want to make your text move around, which I think looks super cool, then you're just going to download a PNG maker. The app that I use is called Magic Eraser. You're going to take the image that you made earlier in the video, and then you're literally just going to erase the background. Then you're just going to save that as a PNG, send that to your computer, then drag it onto your desktop, drag it over top of your video, then you're going to go into overlay settings once again. Instead of green/blue screen, you're going to press picture in picture. Click your mouse towards the beginning of the video, then there's this little diamond icon that you're going to press. Move the text to wherever you want it to start. Then click further on into your image, press the diamond icon again, and move your text a little bit more. The last click that you should do should be about where you want your text to end up. You honestly don't have to do this with text, you could also do it with the meme glasses. Cowboy hat is everything. So now we're going to make multiple text pop-ups. So the way that I do it is super similar to the typewriter effect. When you're dragging the little tool that has the little circles on the top and bottom, instead of doing that method for each letter, you're just going to do that method for each word. So the last text effect that I'm going to be talking about is wavy text. For this, I actually would recommend downloading the app Megaphoto, and you're just going to start by creating your text image and then just bring that image onto the app. So they do have a lot of effects, but the wavy effect that I like to use is number 129. Okay, so the final thing that I'm going to be talking about in this video is how to make your text look super aesthetic. So to add a shadow, you're just going to go into style, and then you're going to bring the alpha all the way up and the blur all the way down. For making an outline on your text, you're just going to go into stroke and then adjust it however you like it. You could also make the text curve or space the text out. These are all the fonts that I've recently been loving. Most of them are from dafont.com, which I'm obsessed with. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any more questions on editing on your iPhone or your MacBook computer, then I am more than happy to answer them for you. Just let me know in the comments. Also, comment below your best dad joke. Just feel like that'd be fun. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!